Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will talk on how to share live location and estimated time of arrival ETA in Google Maps. This is a new update from Google. So open Google Map. Here search for a destination to go. Click on directions. Click on start. Now if you want to share your live location and ETA, then you need to click here. Now from here you need to select the first option, share trip progress. From here you can choose to share your location to your contacts, and you can also use WhatsApp or any other messenger to share your location. I share it in WhatsApp. And press on send. So friends, by the help of this feature, you can share your live location and your trip progress in Google Maps. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.